So Journey Together just got released in the pre-order form. The pre-orders went up on Pokemon Center, and everyone went crazy. The website crashed. The whole thing was ridiculous, and they went out of stock. Or I don't think they went out of stock, but they were made unavailable within maybe like an hour or two or something like that. Really crazy. Journey Together has been one of the most anticipated sets of the year because it's the reintroduction of the trainers Pokemon. We have fan favorite characters like N, Lily, Iono, and Hop all making an appearance on the cover art and in the set as well. So, looking at the box art, I think that they definitely hammered home how cool this set is going to be with the box art and everything. It looks great. Um, Especially putting N front and center. I think that N is probably the most popular character in the four that we see here. And it's just, a huge fan favorite, and they did him justice as well, putting him on the Elite Trainer box. That was smart of them. Yeah. But there's another interesting part about Journey Together that I want to bring up. And if we go down here, we take a look at this. Ends Zorua. Not this card in particular, another version of the same card, but it's an illustration rare form. I'll show you that in a second. That will be included in the Elite Trainer box for Journey Together. And in the booster box, this is what I wanted to talk about the most, is they're bringing back box toppers. When is the last time that we've had a booster box that has a promo card in it for free? Just laying there. There's no added value on top of the booster box because the promo's there. MSRP is still the same, 161 or whatever it is on Pokemon Center. MSRP is still the same. So it's just a random little insert that you find in the booster box, and it's just there, and it's amazing. And it's the Ends Reshiram. So I was expecting this card to be in the set, and I was expecting it to be a big chase card, but that is not the case. This card is going to be the promo box topper you get in a booster box. I'm baffled that they did that, but it makes this card a lot easier to get, and it's going to be less expensive because it's in every booster box. And the fact that this card looks so good, I definitely want it for my personal collection, so I will get my hands on it, and it seems very easy to get my hands on, so I will do that when I can. The Ends Zorua that you get from the Elite Trainer box looks something like this. It looks really, really good. I am super, super stoked for Ends Zorua in the ETBs. Pretty sure this will be Pokemon Center stamped as well for the Pokemon Center version. And then the regular version will have just this. And I'm pretty sure either you get 2 promo cards in the Pokemon Center version. I'm not totally sure. But the set's going to be 180 cards, 4 Trainers Pokemon EX, more than 40 Trainers Pokemon, 16 Pokemon EX, 11 Illustration Rares, 6 Special Illustration Rares, 3 Hyper Rare Gold cards, and then 30 or more Trainer and Pokemon with Special Illustrations. So this set is looking to be pretty good. I'm not sure of all of the Special Illustration Rare Trainer with Pokemon. Those have not been all revealed yet, but we do know that we're getting the Hop and Zacian as an SAR. We're also getting the Iono. Yeah, or this is just a regular AR. This one right here. The Iono and Bellavolt. This is the one I was looking for. We're getting that as well. I believe these are the only 2 SARs that have been revealed so far. I'm not 100% sure on that, but as far as this specific PokeBeach article goes, I'm pretty sure that these are the only two that have been revealed currently. We're still a month. No, we're still 2 months and 18 days as of the day of this recording away from release. So not a lot has been revealed to us, but we just got the reveal of what the box art's gonna look like, the pack arts, product, what it's gonna look like product-wise, the booster bundle, what that looks like too, some of the promo cards, how booster boxes are structured, the 36 packs, and then you get the box topper, which I thought was something pretty insane. You also get, if you're a language nerd, they're making this set in Latin American Spanish. So I'm not sure how many of you out there are complete language nerds, but this set is going to feature a new language to collect. So go in on that if you so choose, I guess. I mean, everyone has a preference. But Battle Partners will be releasing in 14 days, so 2 weeks from the making of this video. I think that it's going to be a great set. I'm going to have it in my shop, pokeburns.com, so be sure to go on there and get it when it comes out. You can also follow me on Drip. I live stream almost every day. I will have it there to buy as well. You can buy it and see it live opened on stream in front of everyone else and pull something cool. It'll be all great. So yeah, that as far as what we know about Journey Together, that's really it. To be completely honest with you, that's really it. We haven't seen much else beyond the release date, the product images, and a few cards and promo cards and special illustration rares, yada yada. That's as far as we've seen so far. I just wanted to make this video to just, put the information out there and let you all know that this set is still going to be difficult to find and to purchase if you can't find it in stores near you on release day. Despite not having as much hype around it as Prismatic Evolutions, this set is still going to be ridiculous because they're bringing back box toppers. The promos look really good. N is a fan favorite. This set is going to have so much longevity because of the fact that there's so many fan favorites. A new gimmick was brought back. And the box topper return as well that everyone loved back in the day. But that's going to do it for me. Hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one.